Hi, this is Jen Vickers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a mortgage calculator to your website. Now in Command, your website is down here at the bottom, the last applet called Consumer. What you'll need to do is you will need to go in and create a new page. So up here on the top right, click on Create New Page. You want to choose On My Agent Site. Up at the top, you want to rename this up here. So let's call it Mortgage Calculator. And then over on the right, we need to add a widget. So let's add your contact form, or any of them actually, but we're going to add that. And then down here under the content blocks, we want to add a text box up at the top. Now at the bottom, configure widget. Click Save and Apply. And click Save Changes. So now we want to go back, and this is called, you want to go to mortgagecalculator.org, and this is a free site. You want to go over here to widgets and go down to full page calc. Now down here, you want to go ahead and set your whatever you want the defaults to be. Now the consumer can go in and change them, but what do you want your defaults to be? The home value to be a certain price, how much down, the loan amount. But if you want to keep it like this, or you can change it, go ahead. And you come down here, and this is the code. So like if you make any changes up here, it will change this code. But what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to copy to clipboard. Then you want to go back to Command, and you want to go here to Insert, and delete this and paste that code. And then when you click off of it, it will show it right here. So once you are done, you click on Publish Page and say yes. Then at this screen down here, you want to add this page to your website. So click on Add Page. You want to choose the mortgage calculator that we just created and click Continue. You want to name the page title. So let's call it Mortgage Calculator. And this is what's going to be in the pull-down menu. The slug, you can do like, and these have to be different. You can see I already have it over here as that, so I'm just going to do the number 2 just to make it different. Put an SEO description, so you can put like real estate calculator. Click Save. And so now you have it down here. I probably shouldn't, just so that you can see, let me change the name. Just that, and click Save. So you can see it's down here. So when you go to your website, right here where is the pull down, you can see it's down here. This is the one that I originally had, but this is the new one. And you can see, there you go.